Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Scholars. Today we are going to discuss about most important geography one-liner for all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, ASO, OSSC, OSSC and all state exams. So let's get started. First question is Pong Dam is constructed in which river? So the answer is Beas River. In which state Kangar Ghati National Park located? So the answer is Chhattisgarh. What is Khetri in Rajasthan famous for? So the answer is copper mines. Which place in India do not get vertical rays of sun? So the answer is Srinagar. The highest dam in India, Bhakra, is built on which river? So the answer is Satluj River. McMahon line is a boundary line between, so the answer is India and China. Which river is called Saro of Bihar? So the answer is Kosi River. India has the monopoly in international market for the supply of, the answer is mica. The Kullu Valley is situated between, the answer is Ladakh and Pir Panjal. Which is the artificial port of India? The answer is Chennai. Which city has the headquarters of the two railway zone in India? The answer is Mumbai. National Botanical Garden is situated at, so the answer is Kolkata. Kaziranga National Park is situated in, the answer is Assam. Which is called Pearl City of India? The answer is Hyderabad. Indira Point is the southernmost point of, the answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in, the answer is Uttarakhand. The Greater Himalaya is otherwise called, answer is Himadri. Which river in India flows in a rift valley? The answer is Narmada River. Which state is largest producer of pulses in India? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Kanchenjunga National Park is located at, so the answer is Sikkim. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.